India's #1 VIT Triple E Best 2026 Crash Course is back, and here we are going to explore this crash course in detail, how it can actually help us in cracking VIT Triple E examination in these last 30 to 35 days. And so watch it from beginning till the end so that you understand each and everything and also the roadmap very clearly. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. And also, if you really want to crack VIT Triple E examination and want the practice series to be continued, then like this video as much as possible. We are keeping a small target of 100 plus likes, so help us in achieving that. Now, this is the VIT Triple E 2026 crash course. Even if you want to search on entire YouTube or on the other social media platforms also across the internet, you won't be finding any good reliable resource which can actually help you closer to your dream, which is VIT Vellore, and help you in cracking VIT Triple E examination with really good rank. This is now India's #1 VIT Triple E crash course. Why you should join our crash course? Because it has already given more than 2000 selections in past 5 years. This is the only trustworthy crash course which is exclusively designed for your VIT Triple E examination. Remember that within this course, we are completing the entire VIT Triple E syllabus, including the 11th and 12th portions. All the subjects, physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English are getting covered. These are the recorded video lectures. You can watch them anytime and multiple times as per your pace and convenience. And remember that as it provides you the flexibility that you can watch them anytime, also it gives you the flexibility that you can understand it very easily. The mode of teaching is purely in English, so that you will not going to face any language barrier. So even if you are from North India or southern part of India, definitely you can understand it very clearly. Remember that within this we are also providing the exclusive question bank, which consists of the most expected VIT Triple E standard questions. Also, it consists of the PYQs. So this is going to be highly useful, as it consists of the patterns also, which you can easily understand, and it is going to benefit you immensely in your VIT Triple E preparation. Plus, within the course, the short tricks have also been taught: how to quickly solve the problem, how to boost your speed and accuracy, how to tackle the negative marking also, which has been introduced this year, so that you are actually all round prepared in a 360-degree way for your VIT Triple E 2026 examination. Apart from this, we are providing the short notes also, which is going to help you in revising the entire this lengthy VIT Triple E syllabus very quickly, and it is going to help you in the last moment also to brush up all the important concepts and the formulae. Plus, we are actually extending our constant doubt solving support with the help of our Raise a Doubt feature, which is inbuilt within our website itself. Simply, that is going to help you very much until your VIT Triple E examination. Plus, we have also introduced a new feature of live guidance sessions also. So we are going to provide you a couple of live guidance as a bonus, and definitely we are actually getting started with this new batch very soon. Apart from this, we are also providing 10 full-length VIT Triple E mock test, which is going to give you the proper and the complete idea about the exam pattern, structure, difficulty level, and will help you get prepared for the exam with 100% confidence. So what are you waiting for? See, this is the only course which have been previously trusted by many VITians, many VIT Triple E toppers who are actually currently studying in VIT Vellore, Chennai, in really top branches, and they themselves have appreciated it, recommended it, as this course have been designed by the team of subject matter experts in consultation with the expert panel from VIT Vellore themselves. So this point makes this course the most relevant course that is designed for the maximum score in minimum time. Now, this is our VIT Triple E crash course. All the details we have already discussed. So right now we need not to wait or waste even a single minute. Remember that time is passing at a lightning pace. Just 30-35 days are remaining, and in this last month, what is the best you can do? You cannot afford to waste even a single minute or keeps wasting your time in searching for any good document or anything which is going to help you. Remember that trust one resource and avoid multiple resources. When you will focus on one thing, definitely you will do well in your VIT Triple E examination. This is the right resource, and visit our website 10qchallenge.in to enroll now. And below in the description box, you will find the complete course related details as well as the procedure for enrollment. Just follow those steps and complete your enrollment right now. And remember that course fees, usually it is rupees 5,500, but right now we are offering a special discount of rupees 1,500 off. So after that, it would be rupees 3,999 only, just 4,000 rupees, a very, very nominal price, a very small investment in your education. But if you do it in the timely manner, if you give your 100% efforts from your end, and if you follow whatever have been taught within this course sincerely, religiously, then mark my words, nobody can stop you from getting selected in VIT Vellore or VIT Chennai. And definitely you can crack VIT EEE examination with really top rank. And remember that we are actually just extending this coupon code just for the next 3 days only. This is for the limited time. It is valid till 26th March. And on 26th March, we are conducting the live orientation session. So yes, I am coming live and we are going to discuss lot of interesting things, and we will start our VIT EEE preparation together. As this is a self-paced course, you are going to benefit a lot. You can manage your time as per your flexibility. So what are you waiting for? Go fast and get yourself enrolled in this course right now. And remember that there are limited slots, limited time only. So do not waste a single minute. Avail the coupon code fast. If you have any course related query, you can call us at this number 8839737146. Remember that this is the only crash course that actually can help you in boosting your VIT EEE preparation. In last time, we should not waste our precious time, because opportunity is not going to knock the doors twice, and we must act right now. So with this, I'll sign off. See you in the upcoming videos. Tab tak ke liye Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.